All right, everybody, Luca B, and we back. So, I feel like something that I need to show y'all what keeping one in the head and what not keeping one in the head is. So, keep it plain and simple. I'm just gonna tell you right now. If you don't keep one chambered, you're risking your life every single day. Simple. But I'm gonna show you the difference between keeping one chambered and not keeping one chambered. All right. So I had a racket. First shot, total time was a 3.15. First shot, 3.15. Split, 3.15. All right, so gonna run that again. This time I got some on top. So first shot, well, only shot, 2.32. First shot, 2.32. So we shaved that down by a whole second and some change. We're gonna run that again with one chamber. 2.34. First shot, yeah, 2.34. So, hey, keep one chamber, not keep one chamber. It's really on you.